Go exploring
on the showroom floor.
Exploring IMTS.
There's a lot of stuff at IMTS. A lot of people say that they like the cars that are getting tossed around in the air. They like the jetpacks. There's a lot of cool stuff, but this right here, this is the best part of IMTS. Every other year, they have IMTS's Student Summit, the Smart Force. It's presented by SME, and this is where not only you get to be a kid again, but you get to go and meet the future of manufacturing firsthand. You know, we got a crazy skills gap. We got a crazy workforce problem. This is how they're solving it right now. Come on, man. This is sick, man. What's the inspiration behind this?
So we saw a lot of the other booths. We came to a similar show last year, and we saw a lot of the other booths doing kind of the same thing over and over and over again. And we saw that, and we thought, let's do something different. Let's do something interesting. Make something that does dances, that makes music, that we can do all do together. Yeah, see, that's fun. That people can dance to.
This is how you connect the future. This is how you connect the culture. And this is how you literally create the future that you want to live in. Y'all, I'm so proud of y'all. I had to bring the cameras back, you know what I'm saying? And one for DJ Kitty Cat. Let's go. We talk about what manufacturing can do, and this is another reminder that manufacturing can take you all over the place, not just out of your zip code, not just out of your current situation, but it can literally take you to the moon. And they're building things that are gonna, take you past that. We're looking at Mars. It's all gonna happen, but it won't happen unless we got a bunch of kids like this that are getting excited and they're getting involved. EV powered race car built by students right here in Illinois, right here where we are. This is something that is feasible. You can do this too. MFG Manufacturing can do it, and it's only here at IMTS Smart Force Student Summit. Come check them out, University of Illinois. I think I can beat the NASCAR in this that I drove yesterday. I think this will burn it.
Go exploring
on the showroom floor.
Exploring IMTS.